Hello again, students, and welcome to lesson number 3, Understanding Warning Labels. Warning labels are found on your medicine bottle or container, and they give directions about how to safely take the medicine. Here are some examples of commonly found warning labels. Shake well. This means that before each time you take the medicine, you must shake it very well. Do not take this drug if you become pregnant. This warning means that if you are pregnant, you should not be taking this medicine as it could cause complications. For external use only means that you should only use this medicine on the outside of your body on your skin. Do not swallow this medicine. Keep in refrigerator, do not freeze. This means that you must keep your medicine cold, but only in the fridge, not in the freezer. May cause drowsiness or dizziness. This medicine may cause you to feel tired or dizzy when you take it. You should be careful driving or operating any machines when you are taking this medicine. Do not drink alcoholic beverages when taking this medication. So do not drink alcohol. It should not mix with the medication. Medication should be taken with plenty of water. This means that you need to drink a lot of water when you take this medicine. Take with food. You must take this medicine with a meal. Feel free to practice remembering what the warning labels mean.